Welcome to the in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So first let's open the settings application. So let's just check our currently animation. To change it, we should open the settings and scroll to password, fingerprint and face recognition. Then click here to fingerprint, enter one from your unlock methods and tap to fingerprint animation style. After that, just select one from these animations. For example, let's use this one. Just now let's lock our smartphone and we can see that we just successfully changed fingerprint sensor animation on our Nubia Red Magic 7S. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.